Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Financial Hub. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install the NetBenefits app on your Android phone. So let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device and tap on the search icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And in the search bar at the top, type NetBenefits and hit search. Look for the app titled NetBenefits Fidelity at Work and tap on it. Ensure it's the official app by checking the developer name, Fidelity Investments. The app has over 1 million downloads. Then tap Install and wait for the app to download and install on your phone. Once it's done, tap Open to launch the NetBenefits app. If you already have a Fidelity NetBenefits account, enter your username and password to log in. If you are new, tap on Register as a new user to create an account. And that's it. You have successfully installed the NetBenefits app on your Android device. Now you can manage your workplace benefits on the go. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.